Afghanistan.
Afghanistan, the proud name of our capital, has been forever mentioned in the Guinness Book of Records. Our motherland, with a great flag, an intact flag, appeared in both Turkmenistan, also with the seal of our President Ankara, the Great Afghanistan, by implementing its programs of sustainable transportation. Urban development projects and installation of our restaurants, white buildings, and our
It was like it was in the USSR. Pakistan Pavilion. This is a view from outside, which I missed.